Hello and welcome to the Cloud Plus Certification e-learning course. My name is Tom Carpenter, and I'm going to be guiding you along the journey as you learn about cloud technologies and how we can utilize these technologies either on premises or with cloud service providers to provide the best use of our hardware. Ultimately, that's what cloud technologies are about. This is why it's not only something that we use in the cloud, what most people think of the cloud, online, but we also use it on our local networks, on-premises cloud technologies. And the reality is that this is an important thing to consider. So when it comes to cloud, keep in mind, all the old stuff is still there. We still have networking, we still have programming, we still have computer systems and servers, we have virtualization and containers, we have databases, we have file storage, we have services. Everything that we have on our networks, we have it in the cloud. And the key then is, how do we understand these concepts as they relate to the cloud? And how do we best administer and manage cloud technologies? Now, one of the things that I want to point out right here as we open up and get started before we jump into chapter 1 is you need to know more than the cloud to know the cloud. You need to know networking. This is one of the reasons that CompTIA themselves say right in the Cloud Plus objectives that they recommend that you have Network Plus certification or at least equivalent knowledge and experience. And I will tell you, you need it not only to understand the cloud, but to pass the Cloud Plus exam. There are going to be questions on there that we don't cover directly in this course because they require the networking knowledge in order to be prepared for those questions as well as the cloud knowledge. So make sure that you have the networking stuff down, and you'll be good to go there. There are also some overlaps with security technologies, but we cover what you need to know related to security in this course. And what you're going to learn about as we go throughout this journey is, what is the cloud? What's made available to me in the cloud? How do I decide which of those things to use in the cloud? How do I implement them in the cloud? How do I secure them in the cloud? And how do I troubleshoot them when things go wrong? That's basically what we're going to learn about together as we look at the cloud. So welcome to the course, and thanks for joining me on this journey.